One small mistake in IMM 5562, your travels form and your entire spousal sponsorship application can get delayed or even refused without you even realizing what went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Parietal Canada. In today's video, I will show you how to fill IMM 5562 your travels form step by step. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are following this spousal sponsorship series or you are new here on the channel, I have already covered some important forms step by step. Make sure to check out the full playlist. The link is in the description down below. Now coming back on today's topic, IMM 5562 your travels form. This form might look short, but people make mistakes here. IRCC uses this form to carefully review your travel history outside your country of residence. They want to understand where you have been, how often you travel, and whether your information matches the rest of your application. Here is where most people go wrong. They forget short trips, they don't even remember exact dates, or they leave gaps thinking it is not important. Everything must be declared clearly and honestly, because if your travel history doesn't match with your passport stamps or background information, it can raise questions and cause delays. Now let's move to my laptop screen and I will show you how to fill 5562 your travels form step by step. Guys, fill your application in Google Chrome browser because Safari browser is not compatible and will cause you issues while you fill your application, and I will leave all the important links in the description down below. Open up your browser and log in into your PR portal. So IMM 5562 supplementary information your travels. Click on Added. Scroll down. Click on Continue. Section A, Principal Applicant yourself. Type in your full name, family name, Kaur, given name Jaspreet. Scroll down. List all trips you have taken outside of the country in the last 10 years or since your 18th birthday, if it was less than 10 years ago. Include all trips, tourism, business, training, etc. So guys, if you haven't traveled outside of your country in last 10 years, then choose this box over here. Scroll down and then click on Save and Continue. Section B, your spouse or common law partner. So trip 1 from 2022-01 to 2022-02. Destination Rampur, India. Length 2 months. Purpose of travel family visit. Scroll down. Trip 2 from 2023-01 to 2023-02. Destination Rampur, India. Length 2 months. Purpose of travel family visit. Scroll down. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Trip 3 from 2023-12 to 2024-02. Destination Rampur, India. Length 3 months. Purpose of travel marriage. Scroll down. Click on Save and Continue. Section C, your dependent children 18 years or older, and if you guys don't have children, then just type in NA, that means not applicable. Destination not applicable, length not applicable, purpose of travel not applicable. Scroll down, click on Complete and return to application. So guys, that's how you fill IMM 5562 supplementary information your travels form. And now it says ready to submit. In the next part of the spousal sponsorship series, I will show you how to fill out IMM 1344 application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking form. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.